Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening services. MSC as an administrator, this gives you direct control over service states. Once the console is open, find Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder because those two coordinate sound. Set their startup type to automatic so Windows will manage them at boot, and then stop and start each service to refresh dependencies. Doing that resets in-memory glitches. Make sure to right-click and choose Properties if you need to confirm dependencies before proceeding. Once services are refreshed, inspect the Dependencies tab to verify Remote Procedure Call is running because Windows Audio depends on it. Next, open Device Manager and update the audio driver. If a recent update caused failure, roll back instead. If drivers reinstalling doesn't help, run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files. Open an elevated prompt, run SFC/scano, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These commands repair missing system components that prevent audio services from starting. You finish by restarting the PC to ensure service and driver changes take effect and then test sound in Setting Sound. If problems persist, run the built-in troubleshooter from System Troubleshoot other troubleshooters to catch common config issues automatically. If that still fails, create a new local user and sign in to check if the issue is profile-specific. User corruption sometimes blocks audio services. One key tip: if services show access denied, run an in-place upgrade repair to restore system permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.